In this video, we're going to learn about the USAutomatic gate lock. I will show what each wire is, what happens when the lock is engaged, how the gate lock works, and how to remove the strike pin if needed. The blue wire is the negative or 0-volt wire. The green wire is the positive or 12-volt. When the gate lock is engaged, the lock pin retracts inward to clear the latch pin. The gate lock gets engaged by the main control board prior to the gate opening and remains energized for 3 seconds after the gate takes off. If you ever need to pull the strike pin from the gate lock, simply remove the clip at the end of the pin and pull the pin out of the slot.